Hello guys, it's me CoolManJoe720 with Maze940 and Awesomehowl21. So she sent me a couple gifts. Animal Jam does rock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! If only that was the black color though. That's still really cool. I like the color orange. My dad just got a new color bike. It's orange. So. 3, 2, 1. Hey! I have 4 Phantom plushies now. Wow. She deserves something. Thanks. That was weird. Should I send her freedom wings? I'm gonna send her my New Year's party hat. No, I'm not. Spelled things wrong. My bad. Who cares? It's over. Hey, a rare witch hat! I got traded one of those today. Oops. I guess I should send her... Oh yeah, I just sent her something, didn't I? I may not be blonde, but I am kind of stupid. Yes, I just admitted that. You're probably like, wow.
I'll be back.
Oh, look who's talking, blondie.
Don't be hating.
You're a blonde. I'm not saying all blondes are stupid, just this one. Maze940. Hey! Well, that's it. Thanks. You're welcome. Alright, well that's it for now, guys. Remember to buddy Awesomehowl21 and send her gifts because she's just that amazing. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Buzzinga. I have no clue why I did that. Bye!